for conferring on and assessing to such boards powers and functions relating thereto and for matters connected therewith. Whereas it applied, in the first instance, to the whole of the state of Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tripura and West Bengal and the Union Territories, and it shall apply to such other state which adopts this act by resolution passed in that behalf under clause 1 of Article 252 of the Constitution, where the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 was adopted by the state of Manipur by a resolution of the Manipur Legislative Assembly on the 20th December 1987, where the Parliament had enacted the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Amendment Act 2024 for decriminalizing and rationalizing minor offences to the further enhance trust-based governance for ease of living and doing business, where the Amendment Act shall apply in the first instance to the whole of the states of Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan and the Union Territories, and it shall apply to such other state which adopts this act by resolution passed in that behalf under clause 1 of Article 252 of the Constitution, read with clause 2 thereof, with effect from the date of such adoption, whereas on the 30th of February 2025, and a proclamation was issued by the President under Article 356 of the Constitution declaring that the power of legislature of the state of Manipur shall be exercisable by or under the authority of Parliament, where it appears to this House to be desirable that the Water Prevention of Control and Pollution Amendment Act 2024 should be adopted in the state of Manipur by passing a resolution in this House. Now, therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred by the clause 1 of Article 252 of the Constitution of India, this House resolved that the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Amendment Act 2024 should be adopted in the state of Manipur.
What the nation must know, and the viewers who are watching us on Sunset TV must go, what we are doing today was meant to be done by the Assembly of the Manipur. And I hope I'm not factually wrong in saying that. Why are we having to do it? Because in the state of Manipur, there is a suspended assembly, there is President's rule. And very interesting part, sir, is that what is the purpose of this 2024 amendment as stated by the government itself? They talk about governance of trust, they talk about ease of doing business and ease of living. I asked myself while preparing for this bill, which one of these things are today there in the state of Manipur and who is responsible for it? What ease of living, what ease of business, and the less I speak about trust, the better it is. I find it shocking, sir. It's a travesty of justice that in a state where there is no election till date, in a state where people are still living in relief camps and internally displaced people are protesting outside Raj Bhavan, we are making a mockery of it by bringing a Water Pollution Act, the 2024 amendment, and saying we are helping Manipur. No, sir, this is not the way to help Manipur. If you want to help Manipur, then you must immediately hold elections democratically. If you truly believe in federalism, then our heads should hang in shame
come to the subject.
that we have to invoke 252 clause 1 in the upper house of the parliament rather than leave it to the assembly. This is a murder of cooperative federalism, sir.
Sir, how long will the State Assembly be under suspension and Parliament will usurp the role of State Assembly, including passing of this resolution? Sir, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 enacted with a clear purpose, that is to prevent and control water pollution, to maintain and restore the wholesomeness of water, and to establish powerful boards entrusted with safeguarding the health and purity of our nation's water bodies.